Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion tablet, new 1060, and now I'm gonna show you how to export the settings of your tablet for other computers, your computers, for example, or for other one. I don't know why you need it. So how to export the settings. To do it, you just need to open the settings, click backup and click export. You can export, for example, to the desktop, click save, choose a name and click save. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.